Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect Jeyuk Bokkeum. Time is gold. Let's go. 1 tablespoon of gochujang. 1.5 tablespoon of corn syrup. Half tablespoon of cooking oil. Half tablespoon of soy sauce. Half tablespoon of cooking wine. Half tablespoon of plum syrup. 2 tablespoon of chili powder. Half tablespoon of sugar. Half tablespoon of minced garlic. Half teaspoon of grounded ginger. 1 teaspoon of white MSG. Half teaspoon of grounded pepper. Half tablespoon of brown MSG. Mix well. 600 grams of pork belly. Cook your pork on the pan. Sauce mix in 150 grams of onion. 60 grams of spring onion. Turn off your heat and mix well. If you want to enjoy this dish like the Koreans do, make some. Sam is a Korean taco that uses lettuce as a pocket. Put rice, meat, sliced garlic, sliced fresh chili samjang sauce. You must try this. This is unbelievable.